Okay, this is like the loan portion of the presentation. All right, so let's say we get to age 70, right? You've got $1 million, almost $1,001,000 of income in there. Now, how do we get that money back out? Okay, you can withdraw it or you can borrow it. Okay, now you could withdraw what you've paid into it. In this example, you've paid $240,000. So you could withdraw $240,000 and pay no taxes because that was your own money. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Anything you withdraw over that, though, would be taxed. Okay. Now, here's the beauty of this product. We don't want you to withdraw it. We want you to borrow it. Okay. If you borrow it, it's income tax free. Okay. Now, the next question I get is how much does it cost to borrow it? And here's the beauty of our product. As long as you haven't borrowed any money for the first 10 years, the effective cost is going to be 0% interest. We charge you 2 and we credit you back 2.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It does.
So the ability to be able to borrow this money and not pay any interest to get it out tax-free is a huge benefit of this policy. Now, the second question I get is, if I borrow it, do I have to pay it back? And the answer is it does have to be paid back, but it doesn't have to be paid back by you. Okay? We actually have the death benefit pay it back. Does that make sense? So right here, you've got $1 million of cash, but you've also got $1.2 million of death benefit. Okay? So if you let's say you borrowed $200,000, the death benefit would pay it off.
Right.
So basically what you're doing is using your own death benefit during your lifetime to provide tax-free income for yourself.
Okay.
Make sense? Okay.